Hey guys, Joseph here. Now, one of the challenges when you're driving in pouring rain is trying to get a good view of the road ahead. Some of us may have already experienced driving with very poor visibility, which can be a trigger for unwanted accidents. Now, in fact, even when you're just stationary or your car is parked under strong rain, there's still a chance for you to get involved in unwanted road incidents. And when the situation calls for evidence, you only have unclear and raindrop-filled footage. We understand how frustrating that can be, especially when you play back and you can barely see the important details, like that license plate. What does that say? Plus, with certain windshield wiper designs, they won't reach the dashcam's ideal location on your windshield, even in normal situations. So in this video, we're going to talk about our rain guard and how this BlackboxMyCar Aqua Shield can level up your dashcam experience and also teach you the proper way to install it on your windshield or your window. So this is the Aqua Shield exclusively made by us at BlackboxMyCar. It's a waterproof rain guard film that attaches to the exterior of your car's windshield and windows. The Aqua Shield uses special technology in its water-resistant layer. This helps rain or water literally slide off quickly, clearing the view in front of your camera. It's an all-weather protection that also helps enhance the dashcam's vision by eliminating glare and reflections and letting in natural light. So with this, you're going to get better image quality, color saturation, and vivid colors in bright daylight. And if your dashcam has a CPL filter, it's also going to work hand in hand with the Aqua Shield as well, so you get super clear footage even in the rain. So how do you install this? The Aqua Shield is compatible with any type of car with windshield mirrors and windows. It's lightweight and it's very easy to install like a screen protector. We're going to show you two methods for installing this, the dry installation method and the wet installation method as well. First, let's go over the dry method, which is the easier one. So for the first step, thoroughly clean the windshield on the outside. Use a non-silicone-based glass cleaner like Windex to ensure the surface is contaminant-free. Allow it to dry for approximately 5 minutes. Next, it's time to clean the area where the Aqua Shield is going to be applied. Use the alcohol-based cleaning pad supplied in a kit when you're cleaning, and then allow it to dry for another minute. Now that the area is already clean, it's time to attach the film itself. Take note the placement because it's very important. You need it right in the center of the dashcam's vision. We recommend you use its live view function or have a buddy there to help you with the placement first before installing. Now it's time to pull out those Aqua Shield films. Locate the correct side, which indicates exterior sticker, and then peel off the side with the label "This side to glass" using the tab "One Back." And then after that, slowly apply it to the clean area and ensure to push out any air bubbles. When you're doing this, we highly recommend you use the BlackboxMyCar vinyl scraper to ensure that the installation is neat and bubble-free. Once the exterior sticker has been adhered to the windshield securely, remove the outer protection film using the tab "To Front." And finally, clean the applied area once more using a glass cleaner to remove any fingerprints. And after that, the Aqua Shield is ready for use. Now let's move on to the wet installation. This is the other installation method that you can use for the Aqua Shield. Since the windshield is curved and the Aqua Shield is flat, there is a possibility that you can get creases and curves when you're installing the Aqua Shield. This installation helps prevent this. Like the dry installation process, the first thing you do is clean the area where you're going to put the Aqua Shield. You'll need to spray some soap water or an alcohol solution on the windshield where the film will be applied. This will allow for easier alignment and less bubbles. Next, locate the correct side of the Aqua Shield, which indicates exterior sticker, and then peel off the side with the label "This side to glass" using the tab "One Back." Again, we highly recommend you use the BlackboxMyCar vinyl scraper to ensure the installation is neat and bubble-free, smoothly pressing out the water. There's likely still going to be some residue water underneath, and that's fine as long as it isn't too bubbly. Let it dry just by letting it sit naturally in the sun or manually using a heat gun. Once it's dried, the adhesive will firmly stick to the windshield. And that's it. The Aqua Shield is all set to give you the clear footage that you need. Each box is going to come with 2 pieces, so you can use it for both your front and rear camera. So that ends our tutorial on how to install the Aqua Shield. Even if you're driving a car with no rear windshield wipers, this will ensure that your dashcam footage is free from raindrops, clear vision guaranteed. You can add it to your purchase when you're shopping for a dashcam with us, or have it included in the package itself if you purchase our exclusive signature bundles. Thanks for watching. We've included the product links below so you can check them out. You can also find the accessories mentioned in this video in the description below, and if you use exclusive YouTube code BBMC2 at checkout, you can get 5% off. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or we're also available via live chat, email, or just a phone call away. Last but not least, support us by smashing that like and subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for watching.